Selena, Class 10, Chapter 9, Matrices. Sum number 7. If A341 plus 2B1 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 2C equal to 5073, find the values of A, B and C. So A plus 2 minus 1 equal to A plus 1. 3 plus B minus 1 equal to 2 minus B. 4 plus 1 plus 2, 7. 1 minus 2 minus C. Minus 1 minus C equal to 5073. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get A plus 1 equal to 5, A equal to 4, 2 plus B equal to 0, B equal to minus 2, minus 1 minus C equal to 3, C equal to minus 4. Sum number 8. If A equal to 1 2 2 1 and B equal to 2 1 1 2, find first part A into BA. So first we will multiply BA and then we will multiply by A. BA equal to B matrix is 2 1 1 2, A matrix is 1 2 2 1. We'll do the multiplication. We get 2 1s are 2 plus 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 into 2, 2. Plus 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now we will first write A matrices, which is 1 2 2 1, and BA, which is 4 5 5 4. We'll do the multiplication. 4 1s are 4 plus 5 2s are 10. 4 plus 10, 14. 1 5s are 5 plus 2 4s are 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 5s are 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 4s are 4. 10 plus 4, 14. Hence, answer is 14, 13, 13, 14. Second part, AB into B. First we will multiply by A into B. Whatever answer we get, we will multiply by B. A matrix is 1 2 2 1. B matrix is 2 1 1 2. Now we will do the multiplication. 1 2s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 1s are 1 plus 2 2s are 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now AB is 4 5 5 4 into B matrix, which is 2 1 1 2. We'll do the multiplication. 4 into 2, 8 plus 5 1s are 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 4 1s are 4 plus 5 2s are 10. 4 plus 10, 14. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 1s are 4. 10 plus 4, 14. 5 into 1, 5 plus 4 into 2, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. Answer is 13, 14, 14, 13. Sum number 9. If x and y, find x and y if x 3x, y 4y, 2 1 equal to 5 2 12. First we will do the multiplication, which is 2 into x, 2x plus 3x, and then 2y plus 4y equal to 5 12. 5x, 6y equal to 5, 12. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get 5x equal to 5, x equal to 1, 6y equal to 12, y equal to 2. Sum number 10. If matrix x equal to minus 3, 4, 2, minus 3 into 2 minus 2 and 2x minus 3y equal to 10 minus 8, find the matrix x and y. X equal to multiplication of these two matrix, which is minus 3 into 2 minus 6, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus 6 minus 8 minus 14, 2 2s are 4 plus minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6, 4 plus 6, 10. Therefore, x matrix equal to minus 14, 10. Now, 2x minus 3y equal to 10 minus 8. 2x is minus 14, 10 minus 3y equal to 10 minus 8. 3y taken here plus 3y. This matrix taken here becomes minus 10 minus 8 matrix. 3y equal to 28 minus 28, 20 minus 10 minus 8, minus 28 minus 10 minus 38, 20 minus into minus plus 8, 28. Divide by 3 on all the sides. Y equal to 1 upon 3 into minus 38 plus 28. Sum number 11. Given a equal to 2 minus 1, 2, 0, b equal to minus 3, 2, 4, 0 and c equal to 1, 0, 0, 2, find the matrix X such that a plus x equal to 2 into b plus c. First we will substitute all the matrices and then we will calculate. A 2 minus 1, 2, 0 plus x equal to 2 into b matrix minus 3, 2, 4, 0 plus c matrix 1, 0, 0, 2 equal to, first we multiply by 2, minus 6, 4, 8, 0 plus 1, 0, 0, 2. This part as it is. We get 2 minus 1, 2, 0 plus x equal to minus 5, 4, 8, 2. Therefore, x equal to this matrix minus this matrix, which is minus 5, minus 2, minus 7. 4 minus into minus plus 1, 5. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 0, 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 7, 5, 6, 2. Sum number 12. Find the value of x given that a square equal to b. A equal to 2, 12, 0, 1 and b equal to 4x, 0, 1. A square, so first we will find the a square value. A into a matrices, which is 2, 12, 0, 1 into 2, 12, 0, 1. We'll do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 12 into 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 into 12, 24 plus 12 into 1, 12. 24 plus 12, 36. 0 into 2, 0. 0, 1 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 into 12, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Given a square equal to b. A square is 4, 36, 0, 1 equal to b is 4x, 0, 1. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get x equal to 36. Sum number 13. If a equal to 2, 5, 1, 3, b equal to 4 minus 2 minus 1, 3 and I is the identity matrix of the same order and A is A raised to T is the transpose of matrix A, find A transpose into B plus B into I. A matrix equal to 2, 5, 1, 3. Therefore, A transpose E will be 2, 1, 5, 3. We have to find A transpose into B. So first we will write A transpose into and B matrix, and then we will multiply. 2 into 4, 8. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. 5 fours are 20 into 3 minus 1 is minus 3. 20 minus 3, 17. 5 into minus 2, minus 10. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 10 plus 9, minus 1. B into I. B matrix is 4 minus 2 minus 1 3. I is 1 0 0 1 equal to same. B into I is always B. Therefore 4 minus 2 minus 1 3. Therefore A transpose into B plus BI equal to A transpose into B is 7 minus 1, 17 minus 1 plus 4 minus 2 minus 1 3 equal to 7 plus 4, 11, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 17 minus 1, 16, minus 1 plus 3, 2. Answer is 11 minus 3, 16